How to make your own internet speed testing app using Python. Let me tell you this first. I'm not a professional Python programmer, and you don't need any special skill on Python or any other programming language to build this speed testing app. We'll just use a AI tool, which is ChatGPT, and we'll ask it to give us a code to build a internet speed testing app, and we'll use PyCharm, which is a IDE where we execute the code and get a really simple speed testing app. So let's go through it. Alright, to start with, now we need to have any kind of text code editor or say any IDEs. So there are IDEs like Visual Code Studio, or for this video I'm using PyCharm. So in order to download PyCharm, you have to just Google it, PyCharm. So you'll get this JetBrains link, and you can download PyCharm from here and do the installation. So for the installation detail, we might make a separate video later, but in this video we'll just focus on what we are supposed to do. So you can download PyCharm from here and install it, and make sure you install Python in it, and it has like similar process for Visual Studio Code and other text editor as well. So now we'll start with so let's consider we already have a PyCharm installed. So that's our PyCharm, and in order to get a script, we'll go to ChatGPT and give it a prompt. So write a Python program to make your own internet speed test app. So we'll just type in that on ChatGPT. So it gives us a line of code, and first of all it said that we need to have this library. So, and this is the script provided by ChatGPT. So now we'll go to our PyCharm and start a new project. Let's call this internet speed, and press create. So from here we need to start a new Python program. So we'll go to new and Python file. So let's name it internet testing speed. So we can't write test speed because it will be it will cause argument with the thing on library. So make sure you don't name it as a test speed. So we made a Python file. Now we'll go back to ChatGPT and see, it says that we need to install a library. It's called speed test -cli. So we'll copy this and go back to our PyCharm. Now we'll go to terminal and we'll copy that. So it will install this library for you. So now this library is installed on your PyCharm development environment, and then now we'll copy that code, Python code, and paste it on the Python program we just created. Now we'll just paste that, and once we click on run, so it's supposed to, so it has started to check the internet speed already. So my internet speed is not so good, so let's see what we will get here. So it's doing all the tests required. So it says now the speed test result. So now my download speed is like 22 0.27 Mbps, and upload speed is 9.52. so this is how you can make your own like a speed testing app on your by using the Python script. Now let's say we want to make it on an app interface. So for that we can give say different prompt to ChatGPT. So let's say we need we need to be displayed it on an app interface. So let's copy this prompt and go back to ChatGPT. So we'll say this to ChatGPT. So we want it to be displayed on a like a app kind of interface. So as we paste it on ChatGPT, it will give us a new script. So it again says that if we have got installed that speed test library or not. So as we have already installed that library, we'll just copy this code. It looks a bit longer, and let's see. So it says that we have to name our new Python program as this Python speed underscore test underscore app.py. So we'll create a new Python file on the same name. Now we'll go back to our PyCharm and we'll create a new Python file and name it as it suggested. So here what we'll do is we'll just copy that code again. So at this moment we don't need to understand what everything means, but like if you are a learner, so you can relate what those codes actually means. So it has classes and it has imported different libraries. So we'll copy this for now and we'll go back and paste it on our new Python program. So the pasting is done, so we are ready to execute this. So we'll run this Python code. So now you can see that it brought a new window like an app interface, and once we press on start speed test, so it will take little time. So at the moment it's doing all its analysis. So as you can see that it has been loading. So there you go. So you see the result now. So now our download speed is 31.25 Mbps, upload speed is 9.61, and ping 27.94 ms. So now we can see an app like interface. So now we created something out of without any like in-depth or core knowledge in a programming language. So that ChatGPT is always helpful to do like many things for the one who want to learn new things. I hope that this video was really helpful for you and you'll be able to build your own internet speed testing app on your device. If you got any problem while doing this, just let me know on the comment, and do let us know what kind of video do you want to see in future. Keep supporting us, do subscribe us. Thank you so much for watching.